started this how-to by telling you how to make your camera awesome. And for that, you need Kabir.
Magic Lantern, that's a firmware.
It's a firmware, it's a fantastic, simple firmware. What it does is opens up your camera. Like for example, rooting your Android phone or jailbreaking the iPhone, it's something like that.
So first of all, the disclaimer.
So the disclaimer is that if you install this firmware, your guarantee or warranty will be null and void.
That aside, this particular firmware will give you some amazing features. We'll test them out. And first of all, let me tell you what all you need for this
How-to.
For this how-to, you will need an entry-level DSLR camera, one SD card, a laptop with internet connection.
Installing Magic Lantern is easy, but pay attention nonetheless. First thing to do is to format your SD card. This should be done via the camera. In the menu of your DSLR, you will have a format option. Click and it's done. Now take out the SD card from the camera and insert it in the SD card slot of your laptop. Meanwhile, open the Magic Lantern site www.magiclantern.fm. Once on the site, take your time to go through it. There is an option called Downloads. Click that. This will take you to Nightly Build page. If you take a closer look, you will see the warning given by the website. As we said, chances are your warranty will be void. This is a risk you need to think about before you go ahead with the installation. Once you've made up your mind, click on the option Browse Nightly Build. This will redirect you to a page asking you to select your camera type. We had a Canon 600D, so we went ahead and selected just that. After selection, you get a list of options. Scroll down to where it says Installation. Click on Download the old V2.3. The installation will begin almost immediately. Open the freshly downloaded zipped file, copy all files and paste them onto your SD card that you have earlier inserted in the laptop. Once that's done, take out the SD card, place it in your DSLR. It'll show the firmware. Click to ensure successful installation.
This is the interesting bit which a lot of people don't know. When you see everything is like normal, like nothing has changed, right?
Yeah.
Like you got your menu, you got everything. But if you press the dustbin button or the delete button, there you go. You got your
It's
Magic
like very
Lantern.
spy-like. You have to
Yeah.
press the bin
Interesting.
button to get it.
So see? Stop
And
the
now
video.
we have all of these features that we can use.
At this point, we suggest you go through the user manual for understanding the many functions that your DSLR is now equipped with.
Okay, now that we have got Magic Lantern installed on our DSLR,
Yes,
it's time
that
to
is
take it
correct.
for a test ride.
The difficult part is over. It is exciting now because we're going to test a couple of features that we like about it. There are very many and we don't have
many
the,
features.
we
Like
don't have
you
all-
have no clue. There are so many features.
So we can't do all of them, but we can do some of them which are our favorite features. Starting with, I like the fact that you can see audio in it. We'll show you how.
Exactly.
I like the fact that you can do focus peaking in it. What that is.
What is focus speaking? We'll tell you.
We'll
what
tell you
that
that.
is. Number 3 will
you
be
can-
stop motion. You can do stop motion.
Remember we did stop motion, but we did it one click at a time. But here, we don't have to do that. And last and final, time lapse. We've done that before too, but you can actually do time lapse within the camera. You don't need anything
You
else.
are understanding
I
that,
mean,
that you don't have to actually take the footage onto a
we are
edit table.
understanding that. They are understanding
You're
that.
understanding?
Understanding, okay? Should we
Overstanding.
show it?
Yeah,
Should
we
we show
should.
it? Okay.
With Magic Lantern installed, the most amazing bit is you can see the audio levels while you're recording the video.
So traditionally in a DSLR you cannot see audio while you're shooting a video. So you don't know the audio levels, but with Magic Lantern you can see the audio levels while you're shooting. So you know how high or low the subject is talking, and that is something really amazing.
You can take the focus of your DSLR camera to a next level. In Magic Lantern, you have an option for peak focus. Turn it on and now everything and anything which is focused on the screen will be shown in a shaded area. You will see these dotted lines around the subject or the area of the frame which is in focus. And this will tremendously help you in doing manual focus. Now for stop motion, you need an intervalometer. What it basically does, it takes pictures after a specific time that you have designated to it. Just browse to the heading which reads Shoot. Under Shoot, the second option is intervalometer. You press the set button and it is set. Once you start shooting, it will take pictures after every 3 seconds or whatever time you have designated. How Magic Lantern helps you in creating a time lapse? Browse to the heading Movie inside Magic Lantern. Come down to FPS Override. We suggest that you override it to 5 frames per second. Just go ahead and start recording. When you play it back, it is beautiful 25 FPS of time lapse, everything going really fast.
See, I told you.